Hello children, welcome back to math class. In the last class, we were discussing about the remainder theorem. So we discussed how to get the remainder without doing actual division. Okay, now we'll move on to the exercise 4.4. Two point four. Yes. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. Okay, so already I told you what do you mean by factor. Okay, when do we say it is the factor of the given polynomial or any number? Okay, see if a number is divisible by a number, for example 15, 3 is factor of 15. So when you divide 15 by 3, so you will get the remainder 0. That means 15 is completely dividing by 3. Okay, so then we say 3 is factor of 15. So like that here, x plus 1, you had to verify whether it is a factor of the given polynomial or not. How to know whether it is factor or not? Okay, x plus 1. Yes, children, exercise 2.4. First one, I will write the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so they have given the factor x plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to substitute the value. Substitute. So x plus 1 is equal to, that means, so they are saying it is factor. So x is equal to, what is the value of x here? It is x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means the value of x is minus 1. So substitute the value of minus 1, children. X cube is nothing but minus 1 cube plus x square, that is minus 1 square, plus, in place of x, I am writing minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 cube already I have told many times. So if we multiply minus odd number of times, you will get minus sign itself. Minus into plus is minus. Again minus. Plus into minus is minus. That is 1. Plus minus 1 square is, so it will become plus 1. So plus into minus is minus, plus 1. That is equal to minus 1. Plus into plus is plus, minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So all will be get cancelled. So answer is 0. We are getting the remainder 0. Then we can say x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 polynomial. Okay, children. So by factor theorem, okay, it is the factor of the given polynomial. Let us see the next one. X to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus 1 plus 1. So the factor is same for all the sums, that is x plus 1. So now let substitute x is equal to -1 in the given polynomial, that is p of x. So p of -1 is equal to -1 to the power of 4 plus minus. So I'm using bracket, children, because we are writing negative number. So you have to use brackets. -1 to the power of 1 plus 1. So what is the power here? It is even number. So if you multiply minus even number of times, we will get plus positive number, that is +1. So if you multiply 3 times, so you will get -1 itself. So it is even number, so we'll get +1. So plus into minus is minus, +1. That is equal to plus into minus is minus, +1, -1, +1. So +1 -1 gets cancelled, +1 -1 gets cancelled. So the answer is 1. So we are not getting 0 here. So by factor theorem, okay, by factor theorem, x plus 1 is not a factor of x to the power of 4. Write the given polynomial, children. Okay, x square plus 1. Okay, we'll go to the next one. X cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. So the factor is x plus 1. Okay, let p of x is equal to given polynomial. Now substitute x is equal to -1. P of -1 is equal to -1 whole cube minus, I think all of you are getting, children. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. So x is -1. So I have written in the bracket plus root 2. So -1 whole cube is nothing but -1 minus -1 square is +1. So here we have minus sign alva, illi minus sign ide. So minus plus bariyakagala, so I have used the bracket here. Here it is minus. First multiply this minus, children. This is -2 and minus root 2. Okay, so I have multiplied whatever 2 plus root 2 from -1. Okay, next root 2, that is equal to -1. Minus into plus is minus, minus into minus plus, again plus root 2 plus root 2. Okay, -1 is -2. Okay, so I will cancel -1 with +2, children. Okay, so what is the answer here? Root 2 plus root 2. So that is 1 root 2 plus 1 root 2. That is 2 root 2. What is the answer here? 2 root 2. So we are not getting 0 here, right? By factor theorem, x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial, that is p of x. Next, second main, children. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. Okay, in that first one, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and g of x is equal to, yes, you have to verify whether x plus 1 it is factor of given polynomial or not. Okay, same like previous sums. So substitute x is equal to minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into x is minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1. So here it is x square. So in place of x, I have written minus 1 square as it is, minus 2 as it is. In place of x, I have written 1, minus 1. So minus 1 cube is minus 1, right? Plus minus 1 square is, that is plus 1. Next 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. It will become, yes, that is equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So the answer is 0. So we are getting 0. So we can say that x plus 1 is factor of the given polynomial. Okay, children? By factor theorem. Okay, by factor theorem, x plus 1 is or you can say g of x is a factor of 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Yes, I'll go to the third one, children. All of you try second one. Okay, that is also like previous sum. Third one, p of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. So g of x is equal to x minus 3. So it is x minus 3. So you have to take x is equal to plus 3. Substitute x is equal to plus 3. P of 3 is equal to x cube, that is 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. That is equal to, what is the value of 3 cube? So you have to multiply the base, means that is 3. How many times? Power is 3. So you have to multiply 3 times. Base na power ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಲ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, 27 minus 4 into 3 square is 9 plus 3 plus 6. That is equal to 27 minus 4 9s are 36 plus 3 plus 6. That is equal to 27 plus 9 is 36 minus 36, that is equal to 0. So by factor theorem, we can say g of x is equal to x minus 3 is factor of p of x. Next main, children, third main. Find the value of k. Okay. So what is given here? If x minus 1 is the factor, if x minus 1 is the factor of p of x, okay, so k find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ x minus 1 is the factor ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so you can write directly the equation it is equal to 0. Okay, so what is our first one? What is the given polynomial? P of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. Okay, children. So it is x minus 1. So x is equal to plus 1. By factor theorem, P of 1 is equal to 0 because they are saying x minus 1 is factor anta alva. The equation polynomial 0 bande baratte anta. Okay, P of 1 enagide 0 agide. So we can write the polynomial as that is equal to 0. So 1 square. So I have substituted the value of 1 here, children. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That is equal to 0. Write k as it is in the left. So now I am going to shift this 2 to right side. So it will become minus 2. Okay, this is what your value of k. Second one, here also you have to find the value of k, children. 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So what is x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, so x is equal to plus 1. Substitute this value here. So for every sum you should write the children, write this by factor theorem. So they are saying it is 0 anta alva. So factor theorem inda navu ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? P of 1 is equal to 0. So it is equal to 0. So P of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. That is equal to 2 into 1 square is 2 plus k into 1 is k plus root 2. That is equal to 0. Equate to 0, children. So k is equal to, so I'm going to shift 2 and plus 2 plus root 2 to right side. Okay, shift 1 by 1. So I'm shifting plus 2 now. That is minus 2 and plus root 2. It becomes minus root 2. So that is equal to k is equal to minus, I will take minus as common factor, that is 2 root 2. Okay, minus common ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, minus will become plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is root 2. So the value of k is minus 2 plus root 2. Next, third one, children. P of x is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So factor is x minus 1, that is equal to 1. Substitute the value. So by factor theorem, you should not write FT, you should write the full form. Factor theorem, P of 1 is equal to 0. So P of 1, that is K 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So K into 1 square is nothing but it is K root 2 into 1 plus 1. So K is equal to, I'm going to shift these two terms to right side. So if you shift minus root 2, if you shift minus root 2 to right side, it will become plus root 2. If you shift plus 1 to right side, it will become minus 1. This is what our value of K. And last one, kx square minus 3x plus k. Yes. Now, by factor theorem, P of 1 is equal to 0. Now, P of 1, that is k into x is 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k equal to 0. Okay, k into 1 square is k, 3 into 1 is, so we have 2k here, right? Okay, k plus k, that is 2k. Okay, if there is no any number, you can write 1. 1k plus 1k is 2k, that is equal to, I am going to shift this minus 3 to right side, so it will become plus 3. Now k is equal to plus 3. Now I am going to shift this 2 to right side. Okay, so it will become, it comes to denominator. Okay, children. So this is what your value of k. Here in, so there is multiplication sign between 2 and k. Okay, 2 ಮತ್ತು k ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ multiplication sign ಇದೆ. So ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 2ನ ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ 2 ಇನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. Yes, next main, fourth main is factorize. Okay, in that first one, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, children. So here what you have to do, how to factorize the polynomial, how to take the factors for this. Okay, so here ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿ, ಎ ಇಂಟು ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 12. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, so here we have 12. Coefficient of x square is 12. That's why you have to consider 12 also. Okay, a into c. Yesterday a into c, that is 12. Alva, 12 into constant is 1. So that is what? Your 12. Next, b is equal to, yesterday nimge illi b place alli what is coefficient of x here? Yesterday illi -7 ಇದೆ. So you should consider the sign, children. That is -7. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, a into c ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, coefficient of x square and the constant. So 12 into 1, a into c, that is 12, and b is -7. So here now you have to take any two numbers. Okay, take any two numbers in such a way that if you multiply the two numbers, you have to get 12. Okay, multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 12 ಬರಬೇಕು. And if you add or subtract, sum add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, -7 ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, if you multiply, you should get 12 answer. If you add, you have to get -7. Okay na? So tell me any two numbers like the children. So 12 ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು two numbers ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. For example, 4 and 3. Okay, so if you multiply 4 and 3, 4 3s are 12. Yes, we are getting plus 12 answer. Okay, can we get -7 answer here? -7 answer ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 4 ಇದೆ, so since it is negative number, ಇವಾಗ 4 plus 3 is 7, but we have to get -7 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So when do we get -7? If you take -4 and -3. Okay, numbers ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. So next b ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, so you have to get -7. So I have put minus sign for both the number. So -4 into -3. -4 into -3 andre you will get +12. -4 plus -3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ? -7 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. Okay, so which are the two numbers here? -4 and -3. Okay, now what I'm going to do, just I'm splitting the middle term, children. Which is the middle term here? That is bx ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, write 12x square as it is, children. Now I'm going to split -7x as, so what we have taken the numbers, -4x -3x. Okay, plus 1 as it is. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next, I'm grouping the numbers here. Okay, mark first two terms and next two terms. So here take common factor. Which is the common factor in these two terms? So 4 is common in both. Alva, 12 is divisible by 4. So you can take 4 as common factor. Here we are having x square and here it is x. So you can take 1x common factor. Alva, 1x common tegibodu and 4 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now common ತೆಗ್ದಿರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? What is remaining in the terms? Okay, so 12x square ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ? 4x ಕಾಮನ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು what is the number here? 12. 4 1s, 4 3s. Okay, 3 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. See, if you multiply these two numbers, again you have to get the same term, children. Okay, 4 3s are 12. ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ? So here 1x is common, has taken as common. So ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I will write that x here. Okay. Now minus 4x already we had taken as common factor. So nothing is remained there. So I will write 1. Okay, children. Next come to this. See, what do we have in the bracket? 3x minus 1. See, always ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ terms ಇದೆಯೋ next bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಸಹ ಅದೇ terms ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ terms ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 3x ಇದೆ, plus 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? I will take minus as common factor. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ minus 3x ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ plus 3x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. 3x ಆಯ್ತು. ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್, minus 1. See, now multiply these two terms from minus 1, children. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 3x banta namge? Yes. Minus into minus is plus. So 1. Artha? Now minus common tegdaga ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕು? Terms the signs change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. It is minus 3x. I have written plus 3x. It is plus 1. I have written minus 1. Okay na? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವ್ ಸೊ 3x minus 1 and write the remaining 4x ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, 4x minus 1. Okay children, so these are the factors of the given polynomial. Second one, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So, illi a into c, right? A is 2, c is 3. So, the product should be 6. Artha? Product should be 6 and sum should be, sum ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? Yes, b alva, that is equal to 7. Yes. Okay children, which are the two numbers? Two numbers yaad tagobeku? 6 1s sir. I will take 6 and 1. Okay, 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. If it is positive sign, no problem children. If it is minus ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 6 1s are 6. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we have taken 6 and 1. Okay, write this 2x square as it is. I'm going to split 7x as 6x plus 1x plus 3. Okay, group the terms. Yes. What is common factor? Take common factor. Take common factors in both. Okay, so 2 and x. So 2 common tegiboda. Here we have 6. So it is divisible by 2. So I have taken 2 as common factor. X square ide. Illi x ide. So 1 x na common tagondidini. So illi 2x common hodre in next irutte. We have only x. Okay, plus. So 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 2 3s are 6. X is already there, so it is x plus 3. So here you have to take plus 1 as the common factor. Okay, x plus 3. Already I had told you these two should be same anta. So we have got x plus 3 in both the brackets. Now, x plus 3 and x plus 1. These are the factors of given polynomial. Okay, I think you are getting, children. We'll see one more sum. Third one, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a into c here? What is a into c? That is 6 and minus 6. Alva? 6 into minus 6 is there. So it is minus 36. What is b here? It is 5. Okay, children. See, now you should take the numbers carefully because we have negative number here. Already I have told you. So multiply madre 36 barbecue. So which are the two numbers? So I will take 9 and 4. Okay, 9 fours are 36. And 9 minus 4 madre 5 barbecue. Okay. 9 into 4, that is equal to 36. That is equal to, yes, here b is plus 5 alva. B is plus 5 ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 9 4 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ you will subtract here alva. Both are plus ide minus ide, opposite signs are there, so you will subtract the number. So while writing the sign, so big number has minus sign, so we will write minus sign alva. So here illi plus 5 ide, so big number ge ನಾವು plus ಹಾಕಬಾರದು. Okay, big number ge plus ಹಾಕಬಾರದು, small number ge minus ಹಾಕಿ. Okay na. Plus 9. If it is minus 5, so ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು big number ಗೆ minus ಹಾಕಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಓಕೆನಾ. So now it is plus 5. So small number ಗೆ minus ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So 9 plus into minus is minus. 9 4s are 36. So plus 9 minus 4, that is plus 5. Okay, got it, children? So now write, split the middle term. That is, which are the two numbers, children? So that is 9 and minus 4. Okay, plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Take common factors. Take common factors. So here, which is, you can take both the numbers are divisible by 3. So you can take 3 as common factor. It is x square x. Take x as common factor. So what is remain here? 3 2s are 6. 1x is remain. So I will write here plus 3 3s are 9. Okay, children. If you want to verify, you can verify the answer. 3x into 2x. 3 2s are 6. X into x is x square. Next, 3 3s are 9. X into 1 is x, 9x. Okay. So here we have plus sign, children. So in the second term also you have to get plus sign. But here we have minus sign. So I am taking minus as common factor. So if you see 4x and 6. So which is common here? Both the numbers are divisible by 2. So I will take 2 as common factor. Already I had told you, when you take minus as common factor, you have to change the sign of the terms. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 4x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಬರೀ 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 2 ಮತ್ತೆ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 3s are. Okay, verify the answer children. minus into minus 2 into 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 4x ಅಲ್ವಾ? So minus 2 into plus 3. Minus 2 into plus 3 is minus 6. So 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 common bandide. So we have done correctly. 3x minus 2. These are the factors of the numbers. One more last sum children. 3x square minus x minus 4. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a into c here? A is 3 and c is minus 4. So again we are getting negative number. So product should be minus 12. Okay, and what is b here? What is the coefficient of x children? That is minus 1. Nodi illi coefficient of b, x plus x ide, b plus ಏನಿದೆ? So you should consider the sign. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So b is minus 1. So the sum should be minus 1. Okay na? Next. So you have to take two numbers. So which two numbers will you take? You have to get 12 as minus 12 as product and minus 1 as sum. So signs ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. First numbers ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 4 3s are 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 minus 1 is 3 is 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 4 3s are 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 3 and 4 and 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ minus 12. So 4 into 3, that is equal to minus 12, and 4 so already I have told you children, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ -1 ಸಮ್ -1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? when the greater number has minus sign ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು -4 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ 3 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b -1 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ -1 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ if it is like this plus 4 minus 3 ಅಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ plus 1 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? when the greater number sign has, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3 ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ -12 ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ -4, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ +3. -4 and +3. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಬಿ ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವ್ we got the numbers, that is -4 and +3. Okay children, split the middle term. Split the middle term, that is -1x. Write 3x square as it is, -4x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ -4x plus 3x ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ -4 group the numbers children. ಆರ್ ಇದು ನೀವು ಇದೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದ್ರು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. +3x ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, -4x ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ +3x ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ so take common factors here. 3x is common. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ 3x ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ x ಇರತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ 3x ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ x plus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? yes, 4 is common. So now we have taken minus as common factor. So you have to change the sign of the terms ಅಲ್ವಾ. -4x ಇರೋದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? +x ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So already we had taken -4, that is -4 as common factor. So x ಇರತ್ತೆ, minus ಇದೆ, it will become +1. Okay, x plus 1 common ಇದೆ, x plus 1, next 3x minus 4. So these are the factors. These children, yes, till here we have completed. We'll continue in the next class. All of you keep practicing and especially this factorization. So practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ practice ಮಾಡಿ. So ನೀವು ತರೋ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ, don't worry, but keep practicing children. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.